we have a GitHub repository that has several examples of automation with Python. And we have this direct ink write pad example. And so what I want to just walk through a little bit is how this is structured. Again, for full automation, we can run this top level Python script that has several test cases that have been pre-set up. You can choose which test you want to run. And then all that happens is that for a given test is we can run Coreform Cubit that creates the geometry and assigns those sets, and then it runs Coreform Flex. So Coreform Cubit is our traditional meshing software that also has capability for geometry creation and modification. So the commands that run or that generate this model are then all of these Cubit commands. Cubit supports a very robust Python API that's able to then create our geometry and assign all of our side sets. And so if you're interested, I recommend reading through or investigating this Python script to see how we create this geometry, but it creates the offset layers for the threads as well as the platens themselves in the full pad. And then building the flex commands, again, through using the flex Python API to pass in all of those commands via strings. And at the very end, we even then fit our data, the reaction force data, with some Python tools that fit that. And so the point of this overall example is to show how Coreform Flex and Coreform Cubit can be integrated within your existing Python-based automation workflows due to their Python APIs that support that.